Good evening, everyone. The Bitcoin move has just ripped up. What a move that was there. So Bitcoin has broken through the liquidity and it is closed above the 50%. So this is, if we can hold this 50%, we've got a confirmed breakout here. This is even above the bull market support band here. This is exactly what we were looking for. This is even better. I didn't think it would be able to do it in a day. I generally thought it would hit that liquidity and maybe consolidate and then move, but it's just ripped right up here. So now I think it will take a breather. So we can take a breather after seeing this candle. I think it's going to consolidate a little bit here, but what we really want to do is hold above this 50, hold above this EMA here, and get a weekly close above this and hold above it. If we get that, Bitcoin is looking so good, guys. It's looking so good for us. Liquidations, let's have a look at that. You can see there's some liquidity coming down here. If I just start opening up from the weekly to the 2 week, you can see it is starting to develop. There is longs around about 83 there. But if we keep on opening up, you can see that those longs there don't really matter. If you're going to look at the grand scheme of things, it might come down quickly for it, but if you just looked at, this is a 3 month chart here, it's pretty much a fair even spread from longs and shorts, so I feel like there's no need for it to come to 83. I think it's made the move up now, and it's most likely going to start moving up. And guys, guess what we've got here? Look at this. Like I said, guys, I said with this move, with the volume coming in, this is a 7-day moving average of the daily exchange volume. So we need this daily exchange volume to go up, because when that's going up, that means money's flowing into the move that's pushing it up. And just like there, started to uptick in there. It's almost a double bottom from somewhere around here, I think it was. So let's see this tick up, guys. This is the one piece that we were missing. I said everything's looking good, but we're missing this. But we got the volume coming in heavy on this move up here. So now we have all the makings of it. We've got above the 50%. We've got above the bull market support band. We have got the volume starting to tick up. Superb. Across the liquidations top and bottom, there is some downside, but do I think it needs to come down? It might come down for a wee flush. I mean, this is the 30-day. We have a $6 billion on the longs, and we've basically got 500 million on the shorts. So it's going to likely come down to flush. I don't know how much from here. It may flush and chop around here, but I think we're going to get some chop. It's going to maybe chop around a wee bit, because Bitcoin tends to make these huge moves and then consolidate for a little bit and let the market digest it. But everything's starting to take shape here, guys. If we look at the stablecoin dominance, look at that. It's just dumping down now. So we've really got all the signs showing that Bitcoin is pumping up. So basically what's happened is this dollar stablecoin, everyone just rotated straight out of it, and they've rotated into Bitcoin and fired it up. And you can see it across all the charts, guys. I was looking at the total 3, all the charts are starting to take shape now. Now I'm going to do an update on the altcoin video I did maybe a month or 2 ago, but I'm going to do that probably at the weekend, maybe Sunday, because then I can see how the close is looking for the week, because it's really important for this week that we get this close here. We don't want this we don't want price to just come up here and then all of a sudden wick all the way down, and now we're below here and down here. We don't mind some consolidation here. Definitely consolidate around here, maybe come down, take some, maybe take up there, just whatever you need to do, sound. But we don't want to see it coming all the way back down here. This move is so strong with volume that it shouldn't come back. So that's how I'm playing this. I'm playing it as it's not coming back. So yeah, it's looking good, guys, and we can see global liquidity here. Let me just pull this into line for you. Yeah, it's making that move up here. We may see some chop. Let me just try and let me get this on the daily for you guys. I might be able to help you out a little bit here. Yeah, look at that. This is this is looking so good, guys. So we've got price here. I might chop around, maybe come back, but chop around there and then leg up, chop around, leg up, chop around, leg up. We are going to start making this move up, guys. So yeah, everyone that stayed in the game, been watching the videos, good work, guys. Brilliant. If you still got your money in the market, superb, because things are really starting to take shape. I mean, there's not much else I could say there. We've got the dominance going down. And look at this, guys. This is the one I've been waiting for, the Ethereum Bitcoin. This is on the weekly. Sorry, on the daily. So if I just put it on the weekly here, it's come all the way down. And we are just getting above this. A bit better on the daily, to be fair. See, just getting above it there. So is this when Ethereum Bitcoin starts breaking out? Because if Ethereum Bitcoin breaks out here, like we were suggesting, that means Ethereum's going to rip, and then the alts will follow. Now, guys, I know there's millions of alts now due to all these random memes and the ability to make the coins better, but you want to be in some solid alts when this starts going, because I don't think all 2 million coins are going to rip, but if you're in the top 100, 200, you're going to be kind of sound there, I'm sure. But just make sure you're in good solid coins and narratives. I'll go into more detail in the altcoin season video when I do that update, but yeah, guys, it's looking good. We've got the VIX coming down here as well, coming right down, so the volatility is starting to just wear off. And even if we look across, look at this, guys, the stock market is right up in this trend line all of a sudden, right up. Nasdaq right up in the trend line. It's just above over. Man, this has got potential here. If we can get this back above the trend line, have a breakout and start moving up with some volume. We got the stock market going. We've got crypto going. Trump's been talking about the tariffs, saying, oh, we're going to go easy on China and all that. So the hard balling of China didn't really work, it looks like, and he's just going to take a softer approach. And, you know, whatever it is, as long as we get some stability back in this market so price can keep moving, I'm a happy man. So guys, just a short one today, guys. I think it's just going to have a bit of a breather while we're up here. Our main goal right now is to, if you're looking at the charts, this is what you want to do. A Fibonacci. Guys, if you don't know how to do the Fibonacci, let me just show you. This one here. You put it onto the top, and you scroll it right down to the bottom there. And actually got your 50%. And if you don't have your 50%, you can go in there and you can choose it 0.5, 0.68. I normally have 0.5, 0.68. They're the kind of two I look at. And if you're above the 50%, it's technically it's bullish, and if you're below, technically it's bearish. So it just so happens this is such a strong resistance, and we've just blasted through it, because this is the top of the bull market support band. That'll be resistance. We've just blasted through it, and we've blasted through the 50%. So brilliant, guys. We're really on for it here, but we're looking for the weekly close above this for confirmation. So guys, like and subscribe. I do these videos daily. I've managed to basically follow the move all the way on from daily. Let's have a look here. We called this move up, and as it started moving down, we were saying a flush is coming here. Then it came down to here. We resorted to the big picture, saying, look guys, it's holding. It is on a knife's edge, but it's holding on the neckline. And then we're looking for the breakout. And even then, I was saying the system saying it's going to go up, my liquidity system. Even I was nervous there, but then the price just went up. So we've been all over this move for the last month or something. So hit the subscribe button, but guys, if you haven't, I know that a lot of the guys that watch the video are already subscribed, so thank you very much for that. Like and share, help grow the channel, and guys, we're going to make some money Then we're going to have a party after, guys. Nice one, guys. See you tomorrow. Cheers. Bye.